to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back today. So today's video I'm really excited about. I've actually done a look very similar to this on my Instagram, and I thought that I'd just recreate it here on my YouTube page because when I uploaded it, I got a good response from it and I really enjoyed it, and I don't know why I never did it on my YouTube because this was quite a while ago. But anyway, today we're going to be doing tattoos, particularly face tattoos, neck tattoos, cover ourselves in tattoos. I'm obsessed with tattoos. I would be covered head to toe tomorrow if I could, if it was just that easy, but one day we'll see. So anyway, that is going to be today's video. I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited about it. So this will be a tutorial. I'm going to be speaking through it. I'm just going to do like a normal sort of base, just a really simple eyebrows, all that kind of stuff, and then we're going to go in with all the tattoos. So I'm going to stop myself out here, be right back, and we'll get started. See you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, so to start off with, like usual, just going in with my Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation. I'm in the color 27, bisque neutral. Putting that all over, gonna blend that out. Okay, concealer. So I'm just gonna go with my I might actually go in with a bit of LA Girl. Just a tinsy bit, nothing crazy. Okay, cool. So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna go straight in and set all that. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with Kat Von D translucent powder. So I've really like hurt my arm, my right arm. Like it just is hurting me so much. I don't know what I've done to it. It's so annoying. And so like I need to like now train myself to use my left arm because apparently my right arm is completely out of business. And like no idea when she's coming back, and I'm pissed. Alright, so I'm gonna go straight underneath my eyes with this Sugar Pill eyeshadow. This is in heart-shaped cookie. I use this because it's the same exact color. I use this as like my pressed powder because it just works really well. Alright, I'm going to go straight onto the other side of the brush and just start my contour. Bit of bronzer. Bronze, bronze, bronze. Actually, this calls for a big brush. Okay, tiny bit down the sides of the nose. For a little bit of nose contour. Straight onto eyebrows. Okay, so gonna go straight to the eyebrows. Gonna take my Marc Jacobs Brow in dark brown. Really paint on them bitch brows, bitch. Long tail. So I thought I needed. Okay, got some real dark brows on. Ooh, shit. Okay, let's move straight to the eyes. So for the eyes, I think I'm going to keep it quite simple. I'm going to just do a really, really big, like, dramatic wing. So let's do that real quick. got our wings on. So I wanted them to be really, really intense, and they are definitely intense. Alright, let's finish the eyes off real quick with a bit of mascara. Straight in. If I can find a... right in front of me every single time. So I'm just going to put this on top, not on the bottom. Okay, cool. So those are literally eyes done. I'm not doing anything else in the eyes. I'm going to move straight onto these tattoos. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going to kind of be making this up as I go. Need to refresh myself. Alright, let's do this. Okay guys, I think that is it for the tattoos. They're pretty badly done, but I kind of like the way this turned out. I'm gonna do my lips real quick. I'm just gonna line my lips with this red lip liner real quick. Lips are lined. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Enamore High Shine Lip Gloss in Boom and just fill that in. Okay. I think that is it, you guys. Take my hair out. Yes, bitch. Okay, so this is my tattoo look. I kind of love it. I love these. This is like Kat Von D inspired. I'm actually like would 100% get that. It's gorgeous. Okay, so you guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!